like them. Jamming on the beat. Serves me out and doing like them.
Okay, this box costs 101. It's normally 137. This is the large box. So, we'll see what we got. Okay, we got Adventures, hands, you know, incredible Hulk hands, which I can. This is an X-Shot gun, which I can see Dan getting in trouble with all that. This is a Koosh ball set, which me and Dan both get. Then we got this little car, Majorette. There's that. And this is Mandalorian from Star Wars helmet.
I'm a Mandalorian. This is the way. I like those odds. I like those odds.
I like those odds. Then we got Monster Jam, and it's a monster truck. And here we got Marvel 5-pack vehicles. Then we got basically a Nerf soccer ball. And then we got, what did we get here? Laser Ultra. I'm sweating. Here's Marvel Studios Spider-Man. We all know Dan loves Spider-Man. All the littles like him. And here's a monster truck, another monster truck. Monster Jam. Did I get my $100? Yeah. Could I went and spent $100 with my shopping skills and got exactly what I wanted? Probably. But what doesn't get used will get donated. So, but I have a feeling most of this will go straight to Dan because this one seems Dan or Ray. There's a few things that are a little bit older for Ray, but so that is the boy box. I still have the girl box to get in, and then I got to start sorting somehow and get through my house. So come on back, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, you know. Bye.